Welcome back to Luxmotive Auto, your go-to place for luxury rides and next-level automotive adventures. Today, we've got something incredibly special, the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 luxury camper van. This isn't just a van. It's a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. And believe me, whether you're chasing sunsets across the Rockies or doing a stealth camp in the city, this machine turns every trip into first-class travel. At first glance, the exterior of the 2025 Sprinter 4x4 oozes rugged capability with a sleek and polished finish. Mercedes has refined the body lines, given it a more aerodynamic profile, and topped it off with off-road-ready features like all-terrain tires, blacked-out bumpers, an aggressive front grille, and full LED lighting all around. You can feel the power just standing next to it. With a higher ground clearance, reinforced suspension, and permanent all-wheel drive, this van doesn't just handle the beaten path, it craves it. Whether you're climbing dusty mountain trails or driving through a snowstorm, this van doesn't flinch. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust 2.0L 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine mated to a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. Don't let the size of the engine fool you. This setup is both efficient and powerful, giving you the torque to climb and the fuel economy to go the distance. Combined with its intelligent 4x4 system, the driving experience is smooth, responsive, and unbelievably quiet for a diesel van. But let's be honest, what really steals the show is what's inside. Once the electric sliding door opens, you're greeted with a jaw-dropping luxury interior that feels more like a private jet than a camper van. High-end materials are everywhere, from premium wood veneers to soft-touch suede ceilings, ambient LED lighting, and Italian leather upholstery that's stitched with precision. Every inch of this space is custom-designed with luxury in mind. Right up front, the driver and passenger captain seats are fully adjustable, heated, and even have built-in massage functions. Swivel them around, and you've got a cozy lounge setup. The cockpit is pure Mercedes-Benz. High-resolution digital displays, voice-controlled MBUX infotainment system, adaptive cruise control, and all the safety tech you could ask for. Lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and even crosswind assist for those windy mountain passes. Moving into the living space, the main cabin is a marvel of space optimization. You've got a full kitchenette on one side, complete with an induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, soft close drawers, a full-sized 12V fridge with a freezer compartment, and even a hidden microwave. There's overhead storage finished in matte walnut, and beneath it, a high-end stone countertop that looks straight out of a luxury apartment. On the opposite side, there's a plush bench-style sofa that transforms into a queen-sized bed at night, complete with memory foam mattress and reading lights on both ends. There's a 24-inch smart TV mounted on a swing arm for adjustable viewing angles, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth sound system make streaming your favorite content seamless. Right in the middle of the van, you'll find a surprisingly spacious wet bath with a full fiberglass shower, flush toilet, a built-in water heater, ventilation fan, and soft LED lighting. It even includes a skylight to make the space feel larger and more open. Every detail is made to feel like you never left home, except you're parked somewhere far more exciting. Climate control is handled by a rooftop AC unit and a diesel-powered heater that works even in sub-zero temperatures. There's a high-capacity lithium battery bank managed by a smart power system, solar panels on the roof, and a 3000W inverter that lets you run all your essentials without ever plugging in. And yes, there's a built-in water filtration system with a 30-gallon fresh water tank and a 20-gallon gray water tank, so you're truly off-grid ready. Storage is everywhere, under the bench, in custom cabinets, overhead, and even a rear garage area big enough for bikes, gear, and more. The rear of the van also includes an outdoor shower, a powered awning with LED lighting, and external 110 volts and USB outlets for outdoor living. Whether you're grilling under the stars or working on the go, the Sprinter 4x4 has got your back. And if you're wondering about customization, the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 luxury camper can be fully tailored. You can choose from multiple layout options, 2-person solo travel setups, family-style 4-sleeper configurations, or even digital nomad builds with mobile workstations. It's truly a blank canvas for your dream road life. Now let's talk about price. This kind of luxury and engineering doesn't come cheap. Depending on your custom options and upfits, the 2025 Sprinter 4x4 luxury camper van can range anywhere between $170,000 to over $240,000. But if you compare that to buying a vehicle, building a home office, renting hotels, and booking flights all year long, this actually starts to look like a bargain, especially when it's built to last for decades. So who is this van for? It's for serious travelers, off-grid adventurers, digital nomads, and luxury seekers who want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing comfort. It's for those who want to wake up next to a river, make coffee while watching the sunrise, work from anywhere, and end the day under a starlit sky, all without ever leaving home. Mercedes has truly pushed the boundaries with the 2025 Sprinter 4x4. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle revolution. If you're dreaming about living life on the road without compromising on luxury, this van turns that dream into a stunning, high-tech, ultra-comfortable reality. Thanks for riding with Luxmotive Auto. If you loved this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more elite vehicle content, and drop a comment below. Would you take this camper on a cross-country trip or build your own custom version? We've got more luxury, more off-road, and more auto magic coming your way. Until next time, stay curious and drive in style.